Aoneky 30x40 binocular for bird watching specifications brand, Qanliiy Type, Binocular Magnification, 30 lens, 40mm visual field, 1500mm/9000mm Prism Type, back 4 size, 5.7*3.8*1.89 inch net weight, 14 ounce color, black package included. 1x binocular, 1x bag, 1x lens cloth, big eyepiece, wide-angled view design, more comfortable 30x magnification, more clear high-quality back, -4 prisms, center focus and right eyepiece focus, compact body, easy to carry. For more info and special discounts please click the link below.